The 2+2 program is where you have 2 years initially at SCC, where you do all of your base classes, and then at the same campus at SCC, you'll then go to your NAU program, and you'll just have 2 years there, and then you'll be able to graduate. Some of the advantages I've seen to do the biology program through NAU is I get to stay at home. That's one of the big things for me. And it's a really cool program. The professors are awesome. They really give you that one-on-one time so you can really go through the courses and learn everything you need to. So some of my experiences with faculty at SCC is that they're very hands-on, they're very kind and caring, and they really want to help you succeed at whatever your goals are in life. At SCC, some of the resources I've used would be the tutoring. I've definitely needed help with calculus and some of those classes, so the tutoring program is really awesome. You have students in there that'll help you throughout. And then the advising program too. My advisor's definitely been step by step with me throughout the whole program. What inspires me to pursue dermatology and pediatrics is one, I love kids. I've always loved kids, and I want to make sure kids have a chance at life and really can be able to heal from whatever they're going through. My long-term career goals would be to become a physician's assistant and hopefully specialize in either dermatology or pediatrics. I would definitely recommend SCC to students. When I went to other previous colleges, I had problems with really engaging with the instructors and having that one-on-one time, and I feel like this NAU program really has smaller classes so you're more engaged and you're more focused. Go Chokes!